Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here and welcome back to more RC video reviews. Today in this video, you're watching an Eachine Diatone ER349 SX FPV racing quadcopter, or should I say a serious FPV ripper right here. Thank you Eachine for joining the Diatone. Diatone is well known to put out and release regularly some very nice and high spec FPV racing quadcopters, and 349 was one of them. Now this is the newest ER349 SX released in cooperation with Eachine. I believe Eachine and Diatone cooperation is a good thing because now Eachine can actually bring the prices a bit down on these amazing fast and furious FPV racing quadcopters. This is ER349 SX in my hands. It has got some latest and very nice specs on it with Mamba propulsion system and flight controller, and definitely some personal touch from Eachine Diatone on the LED strips on top, which makes it look even cooler if you fly at night. Let me show you the specs quickly. After that, I'm gonna strap a 4S battery. Unfortunately, I don't have a smaller batteries. I believe this is rated for 4S 450 milliamp to 650 milliamp batteries. I've got 850 milliamp. No worries, this bad boy has enough power to still rip some serious speeds with that big battery. So let's strap a battery, let's fly line of sight, and after that, goggles are ready and we can go. Look at this hovering, amazing hovering bee. I believe I'm ready to, handle the speed on this baby. Let's do it. All right, it's powered on, and as you can see, even in the sun, you can see the beautiful strip of LEDs right here. All right, we are flying. Ooh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Actually, for line of sight, I definitely prefer stabilized mode. I am not gonna go crazy. Hold on, I'm gonna do my favorite thing. You ready? Oh, did you see that punch on this thing, man? Woo, woo. Be brave enough to fly in acro mode while line of sight. I believe the punch is really powerful. However, due to this heavy battery, it's still it's still a kind of load on this quadcopter. But look at the throttle response, man. Look at the throttle response. Woohoo! Oh my goodness, man. No. I have to stop this line of sight flying. I have to do only and only FPV with this baby, man. Man, this thing is crazy. My thumbs were trembling on the sticks, and at sometimes my legs were even trembling. I was having difficult time standing and flying. I wish I brought my chair to fly FPV. Dang, man! Thank you very much, Eachine Diatone. This thing surely is a serious FPV ripper. I'm not done yet. I got 2 more 4S batteries. My dual torque is waiting. Say, we ride to another place to rip some more with this one. It has sweet hang time, man. Sweet hang time. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.